In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a black screen in Roblox, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're first going to begin by going to your search bar and searching Roblox. From there, you're going to open the file location and it should come up to something like this. From here, what you're going to do is go to this top part and copy it. Now this is the path that Roblox takes to actually get there. And once that's done, you can then go back to your Roblox place where you searched. And you're going to click and type firewall. And this is what should come up, the Windows Defender firewall. You're going to open that up. And it should open up a window that looks just like this. Now what you're going to do is click on the private networks and you're going to click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. You're going to click on change settings and allow another app. From there, you're going to go to the path and browse. And right up here, you're going to paste what you had at the actual Roblox path. Now, if you click enter, this should show up and you're just going to click on Roblox player and then click on add. Once it's added, you're just going to make sure that both the private and public tick boxes are checked, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.